Welcome to the future of prompt engineering, where AI and human expertise collide. Meet PromptPro, your ultimate AI prompt engineering copilot. In this video, we'll showcase how our friendly AI agent can help businesses harness the power of artificial intelligence through expert prompt engineering. PromptPro is an AI-powered prompt engineering tool designed to help users create effective prompts for various AI models and applications. With PromptPro, businesses can leverage AI's capabilities to streamline processes, enhance creativity, and drive better decision-making. Now, let's dive into the key features that make PromptPro your go-to prompt engineering partner. Our AI-powered tool leverages advanced natural language processing, NLP, to analyze your needs and provide tailored prompt suggestions. Access a comprehensive library of curated prompt patterns, organized by industry and use case, to kickstart your prompt creation process. Receive step-by-step guidance on prompt crafting techniques, enabling you to fine-tune your prompts for improved results. Now, let's explore the benefits of incorporating PromptPro into your AI projects. PromptPro helps you improve the quality and consistency of AI-generated outputs, ensuring accurate and reliable results. Save valuable time and resources by utilizing PromptPro's pre-trained models and efficient prompt generation capabilities. Enhance AI adoption and maximize your return on investment, ROI, by leveraging PromptPro's expertise in streamlining your AI projects. Getting started with PromptPro is simple and straightforward. Use our free trial to experience the power of PromptPro firsthand. Explore the user-friendly PromptPro platform, designed to simplify your prompt engineering journey. Start creating effective prompts with ease, leveraging PromptPro suggestions and guidance. PromptPro is your AI prompt engineering copilot, empowering you to harness the full potential of AI and unlock new possibilities. Ready to transform your AI projects with PromptPro? Visit our website to learn more and sign up for a free trial.